Welcome to the PharmaLinkage Platform, your ultimate solution for streamlined pharmaceutical manufacturing collaboration. In this video, we'll guide you through the easy steps to log in and access the world of manufacturing possibilities. Step 1. Accessing the login page. To begin, open your preferred web browser and type in the URL www.pharmalinkage.com and click on Login button. It will land you on login screen. Step 2. Enter your credentials. Start by entering your email, which you used while signing up for PharmaLinkage. Next, type in your password securely. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, so accuracy is key. Step 3. Logging in. Once your username and password are entered, click on the Login button. Step 4. Welcome to PharmaLinkage Platform. Congratulations, you're now logged in and ready to explore a world of manufacturing opportunities. From discovering top-notch API, formulation and CDMOs type pharmaceutical manufacturing facilities, PharmaLinkage Platform empowers your search. Thank you for choosing PharmaLinkage Platform. For any inquiries or assistance, our dedicated support team is here to help at wecare at pharmalinkage.com. Get ready to elevate your pharmaceutical manufacturing collaboration with PharmaLinkage Platform.